The reason why I've developed this webinar and why I've taught workshops like this in the past is because communication skills are consistently ranked as the #1 desired skill of Canadian employers. So usually on surveys when they send them out and ask employers what they're looking for, the top 3 skills are communication and skills that are related to communication. So it's an important thing to think about, and it's not something that we consciously think about on a regular basis in terms of employability skill that we might be working on. When you address communication skills and when you look at them, it not only gives an opportunity for you to improve your workplace communications, but it improves your relationships with your family, your friends, which can create a less stressful environment all around. It allows you to resolve conflicts more effectively. It saves time of going back and forth when you can speak clearly and with clarity and have a better understanding of where people are coming from and where you're coming from as well.